In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Screwfix discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you have to search for Screwfix discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called Coupon Follow, and as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some benefits. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this 25% discount right here. All you need to do is just select the button where it says show coupon code. And this is the promo code right here that you can easily copy. And you can use this promo code so that you can get a 25% discount on your next order. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called Voucher. And as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes and some deals as well that we can use to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this 15% discount of culture products. All you need to do is just select the button where it says Get Voucher. And this is our promo code right here. So you can simply just tap on this button to copy the promo code. And you can use this one so that you can get a 15% discount of your next order. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.